Hello guys, today I will show you how to use pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. Pen tool is this. As you can see, when you take a cursor, it will say pen tool. So basically you take it to the edge of the particular design you want to trace. So you just click there, and then on the edge of the line, click once, then let go. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. As you can see, there is a little curve from there, it goes a bit that way. So you take your cursor up till where you meet the curve, press it and hold the cursor, hold your mouse and then drag it. Well, because this is a solid fill, we want only outline fill, as in the edges. So you click there, can you see, and then scroll down to the bottom of the icon, and can you see the pattern is fitting automatically, so you don't need to do anything. Click once, and again what we did near the bend, click it and hold it and then drag it. Then same thing, as you can see, we don't need to bend anything, just keep it as it is. So click once, then click once, and then as you can see there was a curve there, so I'm gonna put it there and drag it. Don't let the click go though. There we go. And then I'm gonna press escape key here because this pattern is going a bit funny now. So when you press escape, you have to click back to the anchor point, join it up together and take it to the edge, and then don't let the click go. Let me just zoom out a bit so you can see. Then let go. Again press escape key because this pattern is going wrong way. So I'm gonna click back there and then just meet around about the same area. I will trace a McDonald logo on here just to show you demonstration how to use pen tool. And then finally you take your cursor there, and then I'm gonna zoom up a bit so you can see. So this one is slightly away from the angle, so I'm gonna just drag that up a bit. So is this one, so I'm gonna bring that down a bit. There we go guys, beautiful pattern. So if I just fill that in, what do we see? It's a lovely logo. Thank you for watching guys, goodbye.